Assalamualaikum. Let's take another question in this video. A particle describes the curve r power n is equal to a cos n theta plus b sin n theta and force F to the pole. We have to show that the force is stated as F is proportional to 1 over r power 2n plus 3. So let's solve this question. We have equation Rn is equal to a cos of n theta plus b sin of n theta. So let's suppose हमारे पास a जो है this is all a cos of alpha and b is a sin of alpha. इन वैल्यूज को हम इसमें पुट करते हैं तो Rn will become a cos of alpha cos of n theta plus a sin of alpha sin of n theta. So we can write this as a cos of n theta minus alpha. So r को हम लिखते हैं, you know that r is equal to 1 over u, so r power n is 1 over un is equal to a cos of n theta minus alpha. So which can be written as u power minus n is equal to a cos of n theta minus alpha. अब हम इस u का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा लेते हैं तो दिस विल बिकम minus n u minus n minus 1 and then du by d theta is equal to minus a sin of n theta minus alpha, the derivative of this term which is equal to n. So ये n इस n से cancel हो जाएगा, so we left with, and this minus is cancelled with this one, so हमारे पास रहेगा minus n minus 1 du by d theta is equal to a sin of n theta minus alpha. So from here du by d theta can be written as a u n plus 1 sin of n theta minus alpha. Now take the second derivative, d square u over d theta square. So by the chain rule, first term का derivative लेते हैं a into n plus 1 u n, as this will be n plus 1 minus 1, तो हमारे पास n बच जाएगा, and then du by d theta और second term हमारे पास as it is होगी sin of n theta minus alpha plus first term as it is a n u n plus 1 and second term का derivative cos of n theta minus alpha into n जो हमने पहले यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. So this can be written as a n plus 1 u n common, and then we can write this a u n plus 1 sin of n theta minus alpha, and this multiply with sin of n theta minus alpha plus a n u n minus 1 cos of n theta minus alpha. अब हमने क्या इसमें यह है कि डी यू बाई डी थीटा की वैल्यूज पुट कर दी हैं. डी यू बाई डी थीटा हमारे पास ये था, सो हमने इस डी यू बाई डी थीटा में ये वाली वैल्यू पुट कर दी. नाउ आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी कैन राइट दिस एज देयर इज अ सिंपल 2n plus 1 minus cos square n theta minus alpha plus a n u n plus 1 cos of n theta minus alpha. So cos of n theta minus alpha की वैल्यू हमारे पास यहाँ पर है, cos of n theta minus alpha is 1 over a u n. So वो वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे पुट कर देते हैं. This will become a square n plus 1 u power 2n plus 1, and then this will be 1 over a u power n, because there is square of this cos, plus a n u power n plus 1, or this will be 1 over a u n. So अब हम इसको मुझे सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. So we can write this as a square n plus 1 u power 2n plus 1 1 minus 1 over a square u power 2n plus nu, which is, again simplification, we can write this as u of 2n plus 1 minus, इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं अंदर पैरेंथेसिस में. So a square n plus 1 u power 2n plus 1 divided by a square u power 2n plus again this and u. From here we can write this as a square n plus 1 u power 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 u plus nu, as this a square is cancelled with this one, and this u power minus 2n, and this will be 2n minus 2n is cancelled, or this will left with power 1. So this can be written as a square n plus 1 u power 2n plus 1 minus u. So this can be written as d square u over d theta square plus u equal to a square n plus 1 u power